What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Prettykeva squad. I'm doing another wig install, y'all, step by step. So let's get started. I already braided my hair and put the cap on. Now I just gotta put glue on it and blow dry it. I'm gonna do this off camera, y'all. I'll be back. So now that we got the cap on, glued on and sprayed, now we finna add the makeup. I'm gonna try to make this video as short as possible. We add the makeup. Not too much. After I add the makeup around, rub it to make it look natural as possible. And this is what I'm using. After we do that, y'all, we add the glue around 2 times. I don't add it 3 times. So blend that in. Let's get some on the edge part. Okay. Blend it in. Now we're gonna add the glue. Using this, y'all know about that ghost bond. I'm gonna glue it off camera, y'all, and I'm gonna dry it, and I'll be back once I put the glue on and dry it. We're gonna dry it until it's clear. Then we're gonna put the wig on. So we got the wig on, y'all, but we gotta glue the sides down. I already did that side. And then we gotta cut off the extra lace. And then we gotta put makeup. And then, well, first I gotta tie it down. And then I put makeup. And I dry it. Yeah, I gotta trust the process. I'm gonna do this off camera, y'all, because the blow dryer is too loud. So I'll be back when I get it down. So now that we got the thing, the lace glued on, we finna tie this and fix the part, y'all, and flat iron it. So y'all, gonna tie it tight to make sure it's on there good. Okay, now that I got that tied, finna fix this part. Yeah, I did the part like when I had washed the wig. I had did the part, but I know I gotta fix it. I'm finna flat iron it and fix the part. Well, I don't know if this part good already. How y'all like it so far? Y'all, this flat iron it. I gotta wait till the flat iron get hot, y'all. I'm gonna flat iron it, and then we're gonna wait till this dry. Then we're gonna do the edges. So we're finna get this part together before I start flat ironing it. Y'all, I like side parts. I really don't like part in the middle. Flat iron should be hot by now. I'm gonna have to turn off the fan. This is because I don't want to use a hot comb. I have one, just don't want to use it. I think we should flat iron it at the end. Flat iron it at the end. Y'all, I added makeup around the edges, as y'all can see. Now it's time to do my edges, and I'm gonna hot comb it first. Pass me the hot comb. It should be hot by now. I don't want it too hot. Y'all, this is how it looks so far. I kind of like it. Let's see how it's gonna end up looking at the end. But yes, hot enough. What's up, y'all? Welcome back. I finally finished my hair, y'all. Let me know in the comments what y'all think, how it look, how I did. Let me know in the comments. But to me, y'all, I really don't like it, but it'll do for now. I really don't like it. But tell me what y'all think in the comments. Y'all say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
And wait till Kiana to come so she can say hi. Kiana!
Yes.
Come say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
So y'all, that is all for this video, guys. Make sure y'all like this video, subscribe if you're new, turn on that post notification bell, and that is all. See y'all on the next video. Peace.